So let's talk about facilitating a digital version of a design thinking session. So again, if you've been to any of my design thinking sessions, you know that I am a fan of Mural. And I'm only a fan of it because I have a license. So here you go. Let's go back. So I have my Mural open here, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of Mural and of how I've used it. So you see here, this is my personal Mural. I do have a license. I pay for it monthly. There's a free version with Mural. You can have up to 3 of these boards and not be charged and not have to pay for a license. So you can keep on reusing those. So like you can clear them out, reuse them. The cool thing about Mural is that when you fill up a board, you can actually print it out, download it, print it out, and share it. And there are other tools. There's Miro, so it's M-I-R-O, which is just like Mural. And you guys may be familiar with that. This is just a digital whiteboard, guys. So let's look at some of my tools here. So you'll see I have like this futures thinking. I have Lightning Design Jam. I have collaborating. I have my master LXD lightning sessions. These are all design thinking tools. I just give them different names so I can, know what they are. So let's look at one of these. And this board that I'm going to show you actually has an activity, an energizer in it, which is this sail ship. Now, this is from AJ Smart, and it's a template that you can just use a Mural. So you don't even have to build it out. And you can just follow their steps. There's really good instructions in here. I have some boards that I've also shared in the market that you can actually download and use in Mural. You just have to search it by my name. Again, my name is Myra Roldan. I'll give you that at the end so you can search me. But this has an energizer. So in here, you would kind of ask people like, what's working for you today? And then what's not working, capturing all those problems. And what you want to do is you want to align it to a theme. And that theme can be, what are the core problems you're trying to tackle? Is it like how do we improve the learner journey? Or, we have to build new training for XYZ, like what matters? How do we tackle what matters, what doesn't matter, right? The cool thing with Mural is that as a facilitator, you have access to different tools. So I'm going to hover over my initial here, and you'll see that I have, I can ask to follow, I can celebrate. That celebrating people is one of my favorite things to do in Mural because it's fun. I can broadcast my my cursor. When there's other people on my Mural board, I can actually hide all the cursors so they only see their cursor when I have them doing activities. You can time activities. Mural has a timer. I love using the timer because I like to time box things to keep everyone on track. There's this private mode, and you'll see here, it will, what it does is it will keep other people's content hidden until you move back out of private mode. And then there's voting. Voting is extremely important for me, especially in design thinking sessions. So with voting, what happens is you're going to focus on a specific area. When you turn on voting, people will click on Post-it notes or on images to vote for that image. You can time that also. And then at the end, it'll show you what people voted on. And so what you're doing is you're empowering your group to have the decision chair. And so you're not the one that's dictating, because when you're running a design thinking session, you should be a facilitator and not a dictator. So let's go back here and I'll show you a few more. So this is the board that I have available for everyone to use. This is my master design thinking board. This is meant to be used in a large group. It has a key down here. So let me zoom in here. So the way you zoom in is you just kind of click here, and then there's this magnifying glass. It'll bring you directly to it. Let me take that off. With Mural, you add sticky notes just by double clicking. You can type in the sticky note. You can change the color of the sticky note. So this is a lot of fun for participants to be able to use. But here, you notice here I have a key. So if I click on any of these, it'll take me to the specific area of the board that I want to go to. So as a facilitator, this is a great tool because you can then just navigate through this And you'll notice here, let me go back, is I have this like grab your workspace. So what happens here is that people can like grab a number and then click this go to, and it takes them right to their board. And this is where they work in. And this has it's broken out the design thinking session. So they outline what the journey is. They use the emotion map. Then we pick some problems and we spitball solutions. And then we talk about prototyping and we talk about testing. And so this is a fun way to run a design thinking session. As I mentioned, if you're going to use Mural, my board is in the market. So that's a quick on Mural. So let's go back. And I know that you guys may have questions on this. I would love to answer your questions. So feel free to like post them and I'm be happy to answer them. All right.